Hi, active learners, and today we're going to learn about local materials to contemporary arts. Philippines is very rich in natural resources. With our artistic inclinations, we can maximize the use of these natural resources even in creating arts. Contemporary artists found used bottles, hay, rice stalks, plastic straws, and other recyclable materials useful in creating artworks. These are the following folk arts. 1. Saniculus Cookie Mold Cravings from Pampanga. These Pandicilio de Saniculus cookies are arrowroot cookies that have the image of Saint Nicholas molded on it. Saint Nicholas is also known as the healer from illnesses. If you consume these cookies, if you are ill, you get healed and recover in a shorter amount of time that it would usually take, they say. The molds are an exceptional piece of folk art and a rarity. These are made of hardwood and specially carved in different designs, shapes, and sizes. Number 2. Pabalat or Pastillas rubber cutting art. In Bulacan, they have been known to wrap their pastillas in colorful and intricately designed pabalat made of Japanese paper. The way to make it is so delicate that only the ones with skilled hands and perfect control of their motor skills can produce the best kind. And also it's their way or creative way to sell more pastillas as well as for souvenirs. Third is Taka from Paete, Laguna. The art of Taka or Taka making is not an exclusive Pinoy art, but paper mache and discouraging have been in the Philippines for centuries. Taka making became more popular during the American colonization period when there was an excess of newsprint. And because Filipinos hates wasting anything, the people of Paete decided to create more takas and even diversified into different animals, not just the traditional horse. But as of today, as you can see, there are more and a lot more designs. Fourth is Pagboborda of Laguna. The art of embroidering is happily alive and flourishing the towns. Although it's mostly done by the women who are wives of the farmers and fishermen, it is not uncommon to fully and delicately embroidering floral designs during their off-season. The designs are meticulously embroidered by hand on a variety of fabrics, including fine cotton, juicy organza, and piña or pineapple. Singkaban is fifth or bamboo art. A favorite type of Philippine folk art, singkaban, is the art of shaving bamboo into artful creations that can be used as a decor for arches or at home. Skilled craftsmen patiently shave off the bamboo layer by layer to create curls and delicate twirls of their bamboo. Singkaban is usually a celebrating art. Singkaban craftsmen create these rigorously designed bamboo arches for fiestas, weddings, and other celebrations that involve the entire community. Perhaps it is our sense of bayanihan that inspire their art form, ensuring that art is appreciated and is accessible to everyone in the community and their guests. Last but not the least is the Puni or palm leaf folding. Puni art or palm leaf folding was intended to create artful toys for kids. However, Puni can also be used to create woven baskets, bags, and even fans. The most common presentation of Puni art is the palaspas we see every Holy Week. Because of the abundance of coconut leaves, the Filipinos have ingeniously created toys and other items through Puni. Although fresh coconut leaves are most commonly used, the leaves dry and crumble within the few days. And so more common to use leaves that are dried, treated, and dyed for strength and color, just like the photo shown with various designs. Banig is one of the widely known examples. These countless artworks showcase not only the creativity of Filipinos, but most especially our ingenuity. These art forms seem to be dying because these do not interest younger generations. That's sad fact. Something should be done to save them. What can you do? This is Teacher Chris saying, tangkilikin ang sariling atin. Thank you so much for listening. See you on my next videos.